stop by Michael's to see what they had in for Christmas. So they do still have fall and Halloween stuff, 60% off of the fall items. Some of the Halloween is 60% off, but I swear I saw some marked for 50% off. But they do have everything on sale right now, and they do have some fun Christmas stuff. They have a lot of things if you're still trying to decorate for fall, for Halloween. They have those, and like I said, they are on sale. They have the carving pumpkins. They only have one size, but they did have them in different colors, so you can do like something fun. The t-shirts, so if you do like t-shirt crafts and stuff like that, they have fall colors, but they already have they also have pre-done ones too. So if you wanted something pre-done, if you wanted to create something yourself, they have those. I like the tie-dye one. This Michael's, I go here a lot, and they're crafting like, the classes and stuff like that is out and open. But the thing is, I never see anyone in the classes, which I find, I find it funny. They have the little mugs and stuff. So if you wanted to create and paint your own mugs, just like something fun to do. And it comes with the paint too, but you can always use your own paint if you don't want to use the paint that it comes with. But they have those, and those are on sale. And those are fun ones to do with kids. So say you're doing like a Halloween party or something like that with the kids, or like in for Halloween, you can create your own mugs. That might be cute to do. And then they have the wood pieces too. So, they have these for like Halloween, for Christmas, for different like, occasions and stuff like that. And then they have like other ones that you can just use really all year round. But these have like a light inside. So you can stain these, paint these, do whatever. You can make like a cute little scenery. You can get like the little small miniature pieces to go with these. Like if you're doing like a whole little town or something like that. These are really fun, easy to do, and those are on sale too. They have some other ones that you can use. Like imagine this like in the middle, if you want to do like a door hanger with like ribbon and different things like that, you can put that in the middle. Something cute, just a fun idea. And because of the little piece in like in between, you can put like a light. The light would shine through. This one has a light already. Just a lot of good options. They have like they're not nutcrackers, but like, the little nutcracker figurine kind of things. They have those. They have small ones. They have big ones. You can get really creative with these pieces. You can use these like in your door hangers and your sitting pieces, just little decor for around. They have a lot of good options still in at Michael's. So like I said, how many days to Halloween? Like 20, 21? But if you haven't started, you can still do some fun things. Or like I said, if you're doing like a party and you wanted to do like crafts and stuff like that during the party, Michael's has a lot of fun crafts to do for the season. The books. Okay. I used to buy these all the time. So they would go on sale, you buy them, what have you and stuff. I'm noticing they've decreased the number of pages, but not in all of them. So 24, and then this one 48. This one, the price, I didn't see the price on it, but I think the price went up for sure, but the number of pages went down. So it's just really weird to me, because you used to get a lot, and then you get a couple of the same prints and stuff like that. But I don't like that. I don't like that. But they have them in different sizes. So if you use like the crafting paper, you can grab those. I don't think the 24 pack is a good deal though. They have the little crafting kits. Like I said, these though, you can just get some rocks. Also, if you find, you can maybe get some at like a Dollar Tree or something like that. Get some rocks, some paint, and create your own kit. But if you want it already done for you, all the pieces and everything you need, you can grab those from Michael's. Just a lot of fun. Or if you wanted to create the crafts to get ready for your party, like you want to have a crafting party to get ready for the party, you can do that. That might be fun. They have the beading kits, so you can make bracelets, necklaces, things like that with those. And then they have those in different options too. And then they come in the cute little boxes too. So they have like pumpkin, witch hat, skeleton head, different things like that. And then they'll have different ones. So you have the pink ones, you got the traditional color ones. They have felt kits and stuff like that if you're looking to do crafts like that for the with the kids. Just a bunch of different options so you can have fun. Or if the kids, you want to take them to school and stuff like that, give them away, like the little kits. Or you do homeschooling, that might be fun. I'm just trying to think of all the ideas with all of the crafting kits that you could maybe do for the season. Then they have the wood ones too for Christmas. So they have them out for Christmas. Another super cute option. The thing is, Michael's, at least my Michael's, was still loading up with the Christmas items, but it's still confusing to me because usually the price is on the little sticker. So some things are marked. So these are marked, but a lot of them at my Michael's didn't appear to be marked yet, which interesting. But they did start putting out the Christmas items. So if you wanted to get a jump on, like, especially the crafting pieces, they've put out a lot of those for Christmas. These are cute right here. And these open up. Well, some of them open up. And then they have like the little light inside. Some of them even have like little moving features on them, like the doors might open or something like that. So they have some cute ones that you can do, and you can use these along with the small ones too and make like a whole little village setup. Maybe you set something up on your mantle or something like that. That one had a little handle so you can carry it around with you if you wanted to. They have some other wood Christmas pieces too that I think are cute. This one has like little mirrors in it. And then if you can see the little red like reflecting pieces, those are cute. They had this one right here. Like, imagine adding some like faux florals, some little Christmas picks and stuff like that. This one, another one I thought was cute. And this one, even though it's like, red for Christmas, I think you could really do something with that all year round, or just make like a really cute Christmas sign that'd make like a cute door hanger maybe or something. This is what I'm thinking is the price list for a lot of the stuff. So I'm thinking they're changing away from putting the prices on the actual items because maybe the prices change so much, and then just putting the stickers there. I like it better when it's on the item because, like, say if somebody moves it, something like that, you know what the price is. But they had these little Halloween stamps here, all of the little pieces. Like I said, if you wanted to do a craft party for Halloween, they have some good options. And at Michael's, you can get, like, really creative and do something fun. I just saw, too, that somebody they were doing a craft party, like a tie-dye craft party, and like I guess a business hired them. $1,200, she said, for 2 hours. But you can put together your own little craft party. These hats I thought were a good deal. You get 3 of them, and then you can just, decorate around them. And you could build around them and make something really nice. These tumblers, I love the colors in these. They're not really like fall, but if you have like a cricket or something like that, you can make some really nice designs with those. And those are on sale too. They have the smaller books. So these are more of a fallish Christmas type print. So you can mix and match these because some of the colors are like nice and neutral where you could use them for fall, but they're really for Christmas. Then they have this, and you see like what I'm going with the cups. So imagine doing the cup like in a theme like that, like a Candyland theme, or like a really girly Halloween theme or something like that. That would be good. See, these books have more pages in it. So it's like everything used to be the same with the books. There used to be whatever season it was, it would just have all the same number, but now there's like 20 something, 48, 58. There's like a mix of them. These little pieces are going to be good for decorating too. Again, they don't have the price on them. They are putting up the prices at Michael's. I'm assuming that it shouldn't take more than a couple of days because they have the items out. So just to put the stickers and stuff on, I don't think it should take that long to be able to find out what the prices are for the items. Like I did say, they do have a lot of good crafting items. So if you wanted to start your Christmas crafts and stuff now, I would definitely check out Michael's because they have some good things out. At least at my Michael's, they have these little stamping kits. So if you are into stamping, different things like that, or card making. So I don't know. I'm not like a card maker, but I know with the Cricut I can do like cards, different cards and stuff like that. And I could imagine these pieces would be so nice to put together like some really nice Christmas cards and different things. So if you are doing that, paper crafts, different things like that, you definitely might want to check out Michael's for those. They have these little kits. So these are those little jewels, like the the little jewels you put on, so you have to put them on piece by piece. They had a few different options in those, and you see those, they do have the price on those at Michael's. So it's just like a hit and miss. Like I said, I think they're putting the prices out for the stuff, but not everything is priced yet. They have the trees. So I'm assuming the full setup of trees will come out soon. And then you can see the tumblers. So they are on sale too. But just imagine doing something fun with these. Like the color, that little metallic type shimmer. I love those. And they had different options too. So if you didn't want that size, they do have different options. And then the little small mini tumblers, those are still out. So they have the Halloween prints. They have the solid color prints. And I came across the little mini tumblers at Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree ones are plastic though, but they, same look. So they have the faux florals too that you can grab. So these are about $5. They are really nice though. And Dollar Tree has went up to $1.75 for florals. And then Hobby Lobby still has some nice faux florals out too. And Walmart has some cute faux florals too. So if you're looking for some faux florals, those are some of the options. But you can see these are so pretty and the colors are so nice. And they've also put out the Christmas faux florals at Michael's, and those are on sale. So you can get the faux florals for fall, or you can get the faux florals for Christmas. Both are on sale right now at Michael's. So if you're looking to do crafts or anything for either season, you can grab those. The Christmas ones are so cute. So they have different options. And again, these are ones that you can use in your tree. Hobby Lobby has rows and rows of them, though, to pick, if you want it for your tree. But Michael's does have some really nice options. So you'll be able to get different colors, different styles. So they have pink. They have the traditional red and white and green. They have some cute options. The little elf legs, so cute. And I always think those are cute. I made some one year, but just if you can get them on sale and just poke them in, and you can do little elf legs hanging out your tree. I always think those are so cute. They look cute on door hangers too. If you're looking to grab, they have some bow options. Ooh, Burlington Coat Factory. I saw some of those. Everybody was doing the bows last year, the big bows. They had some cute bow options too, but Michael's has some that you can grab. They have the candy cane pieces. Just a lot of really nice ones to pick from. And then, of course, the Halloween is on sale. So whether you wanted to get the traditional style Halloween or you wanted to get the pink style Halloween, it is on sale. But you can see the sale prices are different based on the items. So definitely just check to make sure what type of discount you are getting on the Halloween items if you do go to Michael's. But will you be picking up any Christmas items or anything like that now? Have you done all of your Halloween shopping? Yeah. And what did you think? Let me know.